Well, this is another good find at Duke's Antiques in Raw Vista, Texas. I got a pair of steel aluminum mag wheels that were probably made in the 1960s or early 70s, because by the late 70s you could get a mag wheel pretty reasonable price made out of aluminum, which replaced the magnesium, which were not very safe to have. But I thought that they were making these half steel and half aluminum wheels because of the weight savings. You can see that it's an early form of probably brazing or TIG welding or something like that, where it's fused the aluminum to the steel. But it seems that when you measure it, this 14-inch wheel, 5 on 4 3/4, measures in at 17.5 pounds. You take the steel wheel, it fits GM products, 14-inch, 5 lugs on 4 3/4, and you measure it. It weighs 18. Of course, it's got a little chunk of lead on it, but I don't think that's a half a pound. Matter of fact, it's measured out at some little fractional measurement of lead. So I don't know if there's a weight savings, but I do believe that it looks a lot better, because it looks almost like a real, completely aluminum wheel. It's in the back spacing that you see the steel. And Duke's awesome. 20 bucks for the pair. Got to clean them up. I don't have a Chevrolet part to put it on. Doesn't mean I won't have one in the future. So, thanks for watching.